Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today we're talking about something light, fun, and kind of magical. Cute ways to give him butterflies. Because let's be real, you don't need to be over the top or play hard to get to leave a lasting mark. Sometimes it's the sweet, unexpected things that stay with him. So let's dive in. And hey, don't forget to stay till the end, because the last one might just be your secret weapon. 1. Playfully tease him. With warmth, not mockery. There's something about a girl who can joke around that just hits different. Light teasing, inside jokes, calling him out in a flirty way. It creates intimacy without trying too hard. It says, I see you, I get you, and I'm not afraid to play. Bonus tip? Tease, and then flash that cheeky smile. Works every time. 2. Surprise him with your own brand of sweetness. Whether it's bringing him his favorite snack, texting him a random memory, or sending a voice note when he least expects it, unpredictability in affection is powerful. It's not about grand gestures. It's about the feeling that you chose that moment just for him. 3. Compliment the little things most people don't notice. Everyone compliments his looks or his voice. But when you say, I love how you talk about things you care about, or you're so thoughtful with your friends, that hits deep. Because now, you're not just seeing what's on the surface, you're seeing him. 4. Light touches at the right moment. The brush of your hand when you're laughing, touching his arm when you're agreeing with him, straightening his hoodie. These subtle moments send signals. It's not just physical, it's permission. It says, I'm comfortable with you, and I want you to feel that too. 5. Say his name and mean it. It's simple, but hearing your name from someone you like? Butterflies. Especially when you say it softly during conversation or after a compliment. You're not just another girl. You're her, and she knows how to make words feel personal. 6. Let him catch you looking at him. That quick glance you hold just a second too long, then look away? Iconic. Add a smile, and he's wondering what you were thinking. It's the quiet kind of flirtation that lingers, even after the moment's gone. 7. Be passionate about something and share it. Guys get butterflies when they see you come alive. Whether it's painting, music, plants, anime, whatever. Your eyes light up and suddenly, he's mesmerized. Passion is attractive. Confidence is irresistible. 8. Let him win sometimes, but don't make it obvious. Whether it's in a game, debate, or playful challenge, letting him feel capable without seeming like you're letting him gives him a small ego boost. But the real butterfly moment? When he realizes you totally could have won and chose not to. 9. Let him feel like your safe space too. It's not just about being soft and sweet. It's about making him feel seen and understood. Ask him questions no one asks. Give space for silence. Make it okay for him to not be strong all the time. The butterflies come when he feels like he can finally exhale around you. So yeah, butterflies aren't always loud or dramatic. Sometimes, they're born in the softest moments. Which of these are you already doing without even realizing it? Or, which one are you dying to try next? Drop in the comments if you're planning to test any of these soon, and don't forget to subscribe. Because here at psysigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.